Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get graphite in Astroneer. This is especially useful for crafting things like the packager, which is really useful thing, or something like the power cells. Also, graphite can be used later in producing more advanced resources. So to begin, graphite can be found on every planet that is in Astroneer, and on the starting planet it can be found in the region mountains as these kind of black and greenish, black grayish kind of crystals, which you can pick out your mining tool and just mine it inside of the mountains biome. And as you can see, I've got some graphite from it. There's a second option to get graphite, which is useful for producing a large amount of it, and that is by using a soil centrifuge, where you can put 2 full canisters of soil and get 2 graphites from it. So this is pretty much all, how to get graphite in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.